did not in any way give room for making the markets go lower. So every downturn, whatever has resulted in yesterday's session, has just moved the market more higher, and it has paved way for the market to move on a highest scale ever that the market has actually opened at. So first of all, let's welcome everyone who has joined. Welcome everyone to Nifty's analysis, that is Nifty Trend today on Market Profit Show with ASHOK. And today we are staring at an all-time high in the market. SGX Nifty is a bit tensed, about 14 points lower. However, the market, Indian markets will probably have a blast. It will just keep on moving on a higher side as of now. So because the market is yet to conquer more highs in the markets yet to happen, so we are probably looking at an all-time high in today's session as well. So let's see where the market is poised to go, and let's see where the market will have supports and will have resistances for today in Nifty Trend today. In today's session, let's jump into the technical analysis part. So Nifty Trend today, how Nifty Trend for today would influence your today's trades. Let's jump in and let's understand. 31st August 2021, on the day before yesterday, we had a sporadic move on Friday, because on Thursday, mostly because of the session where the market was actually jumping back and forth of the Nifty futures and Nifty options expiry. So we are seeing at an all-time high in yesterday's session. So there was a lot of downturn in the session as well on Friday. However, yesterday was just a blockbuster. From the minute go, as it opened, it did not see the lows at all in the market. From the time it opened, it just kept on going up and up and up and away. So it did not have any restraint for the sellers in the market. Bears just caught trapped in yesterday's market, just was not at all forgiving to the bears. It just flew all the way upwards. So probably we'll see 17,000 conquer in today's session as well. So who knows. However, there is a possibility that 17,000 will act as a huge resistance for the market, because 17,000 of course is a level where the market will actually see a lot of resistance because of the ending zeros. So it ends with the 3 zeros. If that is the case, then the market will see a lot of resistance around those levels. So we may see that the market come down to 16,800 to 16,700 levels, around those levels, when it actually conquers 17,000, and then it may drop down from there onwards. So where are the supports and resistances for today? The resistances are at 16,951, 16,722, 16,701 are the supports. So 16,628 is the third support, 16,589 is the fourth support for the market. So that being said, the market is continuously rallying, and there was a bit of hitch around the level of 16,700 levels. So about once, twice, thrice, four times the market actually stopped around 16,700 yesterday. Since it broke the jinx of 16,700 and opened at 16,760 odd levels, the market just was not forgiving to the bears. It just went all the way roaring upwards. So that's the market yesterday. Now today, it was 12 points higher when I was writing the article, somewhere around 652. Now it is 14 points lower. 14 points lower is nothing, guys. It will just be nothing for the market. It will not take a lot of toll on Indian markets. It will still open positive in today's session. The market will anyways have a good session in today's session. Seemingly, there is a lot of persistence in the market, that the market will actually have a lot of resistance around 17,000 mark. So today, anyways, the market has actually closed However, we will anyways be seeing that the market will have some resistance around these particular levels of 17,000. However, it seems like there is a possibility that the market may go to the level 16,500 in the pre-open itself. Okay, pre-open suggests that we may open around 16,950 levels, and sorry, I probably said 16,700. 16,950 mark is where the Nifty may be opening in the pre-open, because SGX Nifty is slightly muted, that is 14 points lower. It means nothing for the markets as of now. So world markets today, yesterday, S&P was up for 0.43%, 19 points higher, 172 points higher for Nasdaq, 1.12% higher. Dow Jones also was higher, 55 points higher, 0.16%, and Nikkei was down by 70 points, 0.25%. That being said, Hang Seng also is positive today, 131 points, 0.52%. Seeing all the global cues, Nifty will act positive in today's session. Nifty trend for today will be positive according to the world markets. So in the technical analysis, let's look at the fast stochastic, slow stochastic, MACD, and supports and resistances, and make some sense out of it. So support for Nifty 16,722, 16,712, 16,701, 16,628, 16,589, and 16,543. Anyways, we may not even go up to 16,722 because as of now we have almost moved 300 points from yesterday's close. So we are probably seeing support somewhere around 16,900 to 16,800 itself before going to 16,722, and we may not see this session level in almost about 5 to 8 sessions. Okay, so that being said, where is the resistance? We can't say it as resistance, but it is the highest level it tried to attain, however came down from there. 16,952 is where we may see resistance at for the Nifty as of today. Today we will open positive and move towards 16,950 in the pre-open. And if the market levels of 16,900 is not held, then 16,850 to 16,800 levels may be seen as the next levels where the market may fall up to. Fast stochastic is at 97, slow stochastic is at 93.55, MACD is positive at 222.02, and divergence is at 23.47. So seeing everything, MACD is positive, however divergence has increased, showing that the market is not outright upwards positive. It may see a down tick from here onwards. Fast stochastic is 97 and slow stochastic is at 93. Both are in overbought zones. Market is totally in overbought zone, and we may see negative from here is what fast stochastic, slow stochastic, MACD all are denoting. Considering the world markets, which is positive, SGX Nifty, which is slightly positive, we can say it's just 10 points lower. So US markets, which are, so everything seems to be a bit on the higher side for today. So technical analysis for today shows that we will be having a good positive move in today for today. So let's jump in and let's understand the technical analysis bit of the market. Welcome everyone to whoever has joined, and good morning to everyone. Let's do some technical analysis. Okay, so I'll give you a multi-pronged technical analysis approach in today's session. Okay, let's look at different perspective of the market to manage and analyze where the market actually stands for today. Okay, so the daily charts actually shows that the market is actually on a bit of higher streak. So as of today, we will be looking at a multi-pronged approach as of today. So let's jump in and let's understand. The daily analysis shows that we are having a DMI, that is the positive DMI at positive directional movement at 41. That's hugely positive. So it's we can say stochastic RSI and stochastic RSI on the lower side, both are actually showing that we are entering a overbought zone. As of now, we have not yet entered. We may be entering the overbought zone as of today. However, we have not yet entered the overbought zone yet. So we will be opening 16 points higher in the pre-open. So 16 points higher is where we will be opening at 16,947 for Nifty as of today in the pre-open. So as of now, where the market actually headed towards, the market is headed towards the higher side. MACD, look at this MACD. MACD was totally on the, it was very slightly positive. As of today, it seems to be 202 and 178, slightly over positive as of today. However, there is a bit of concern over here. This red bar which you are actually seeing has the same level of MACD considered to this positive. So which means that there is a bit of divergence from here. Look at this. So the MACD over here on the downside also shows that MACD is the same as on the upside. So there is a bit of divergence from these levels. So it means that there is a quite a possibility that the market will drop from here. Okay, there is a possibility that there is a negative turn from here onwards. That's what the MACD is suggesting. Stochastic RSI is also in overbought zone, and stochastic fast stochastic and slow stochastic both are in overbought zone, showing that the market is about to make a nosedive on the lower side. So that being said, let's jump into the 1 minute chart of Nifty. Where was Nifty held yesterday? Nifty almost came down at the end, and it actually is on a bit of a negative streak at the end. However, it was just making some sense out of all the positivity in yesterday, and just dropping about 20 points from the highest level ever, that is 16,952 to 16,931 levels is where it actually was. Okay, now we are opening 16 points higher on Nifty as of today. 1 minute chart. Look at the charts, man. Look at the charts in yesterday's session. The time when it actually rose all the way up is around 258 from the levels of 16,899 levels. It went all the way up to 16,950 levels. So it went all the way upwards. Now it went to 16,051 in this particular candle, and then from 16,951 it saw a bit of decline, but not much. Okay, the market was like totally not giving any chance for the bears to actually make any sense out of the market. Bears were like tied for their hands, and they had nothing that they can do to move the market on the downside at the particular moment. That being said, that's the technical analysis for you today. If at all you have any more questions, then we may take it up. I will be around for about 2 or 3 minutes. So we have opened for today. So we are anyways opening higher. As of now, we are making more on the positive room. We are going higher and higher every minute of the chart. So yes, we will be opening and closing more positive than yesterday. So we are 34 points, 38 points higher in Nifty as of now. 1970 16,970 is where we are currently at, 42 points higher. Yes, the market is on a continuous streak on the higher side. The market is continuously moving higher, and it will see a lot of positivity in today's session as well. That being said, that's the end of technical analysis. However, at the level of 17,000 we will see some resistance for the market build up. So be very, very cautious at around those particular levels. We will see that the market may fall from 17,000 levels to 16,900 levels. Okay, keep a very close tab where the market will be around 17,000. We will see a lot of resistance around 17,000. It's a huge level for Nifty as of today. It may see a lot of negativity in the market when it actually reaches 17,000. That being said, now it shows that stochastic RSI and stochastic, both stochastic RSIs are actually showing that we will go more upside from here, from 16,965 levels. We may go more upwards towards 16,080 to 990 levels, and then probably come down from there onwards towards 16,940 levels, and then move upwards towards 17,000 mark. So that being said, that's the technical analysis for you guys. If at all you have any more questions, uh, or you have any feedback, please do click on the first link in the description below to get the basics of stock market. Comment below to give me any feedback. If at all you have any questions at all, I'll be more than glad to take any of the questions. Good morning to everyone, and this is the end of Market Profit Show. And if at all you have any feedback for me, please comment below and like this video, share this video for all the knowledge needies. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Ashok Kumar Exotic Investment, and you'll get the technical analysis on a daily basis for making sense out of Nifty. So Nifty seems like it's finding a bit of resistance around the level of 16,960 levels and dropping a bit down from there. So we may see that the market may take some support at 16,940 before it actually moves more higher from here onwards. That being said, that's the end of technical analysis. This is the end of Market Profit Show with Ashok. Take care, guys. Happy trading and happy